Shopify POS. How to get paid. Shopify POS allows you to accept payments from anywhere and at any time. It also allows you to keep track of all your sales and inventory from one central location. The best part, it's easy to get paid. This video will show you how to start with Shopify POS and begin accepting payments. How to get started with Shopify Point of Sale. Shopify POS is simple to get started. Click the link below and one of our merchant specialists will be happy to get you situated for Shopify POS payment processing. That's it. You are now ready to accept payments. How to accept payments with Shopify POS. Once you have set up your point of sale system, it is time to begin accepting payments. Simply swipe or insert your customer's debit or credit card into the card reader to make payments. The receipt will be automatically sent to the customer after the payment has been processed. It's as simple as that. Shopify POS allows you to accept payments from anywhere and at any time. Shopify Point of Sale allows you to keep track of all your sales and inventory from one central location. It's easy to get started, and it's simple to accept payments. What are you waiting to do? Shopify POS is now available. Grow your business like never before. To speak with one of our specialists and get your Shopify POS ready to accept customer payments, click the link below.